You know why doctors recommend that women have Pap smears? It's to look for cancer of the cervix. That's why the Pap test was invented back in the 1950s, and that's why we still do it today. Years ago, we really didn't know what caused women to have abnormal Pap smears, and now we do. The thing that causes abnormal Pap smears is the Human Papillomavirus, and it's a sexually transmitted infection. It can only be transmitted by skin-to-skin contact. You can't get it from a toilet seat, can't get it from a towel. It can only be transmitted by skin-to-skin. There are literally 200 different types of human papillomaviruses. Some of them grow quickly, some of them grow slowly. So there's no way to know how long a woman may have had a particular infection. Of the 200, only 14 of those types can turn into cancer. But regardless of which type it is, that's not the only variable in the equation. Our human bodies fight off viruses every day. And so the good news is that most women who have abnormal Pap smears really never have to worry about it turning into something bad like cancer because the human body will get rid of it. How do we know if a woman has an abnormal Pap smear? You got to go get checked. And how do we know if a woman's body is going to get rid of it or if it's going to progress into something bad? Pap smears. Pap smears are how we find it. Pap smears are how we check it. The good news is that if a woman has cells in her body that are going to turn into cancer, cells don't change from normal to cancer overnight. They have to go through phases and changes and stages that slowly convert from normal to cancer. And it takes about 7 years for cells to change from normal to cancer. 7 years. It's a very slow process. And that's why doctors can say to women, look, if you'll come in once a year and get a Pap smear, you're not going to get cancer of the cervix because we can find it and fix it before it turns into something bad. The only women that get cancer of the cervix are women who won't get Pap smears. Nobody likes it, but it's sure easy to fix it when it's caught early rather than it turns into something bad.